We are going to replace this toilet seat. Nice, quick and easy project. This one had kind of got roughed up and delaminated. We bought one for a pretty good price. We didn't get a soft close. Actually, this one's soft close, so probably missed that. But you can get a soft close one around 35 bucks or so at Home Depot. So next, I'll show you how we replace this quick and easy.
So are you? Yeah. It's gross. We have to clean this.
First step is removing the old toilet seat. So we're going to try to reuse that soft close mechanism on the top, the black area. That is, we'll try to take that part and use it on the one that we purchased. We bought this elongated bowl seat.
Make sure you check the measurements before they buy.
I think that the two sizes are either the elongated or the round bowl. And we have an elongated bowl.
But can you show that picture again? But you want to make sure to measure the distance between your bolts from the bolt to the front of the seat to confirm you have the correct size.
Weren't all these the same size? All the elongated?
You want to make sure before you get it home, find out you have the wrong one.
Little, maybe caps or. Oh, nope, they go on this right here. Probably just so it doesn't slam onto it.
I think it's to make it level too, because the seat isn't, you know what I mean, the seat's sort of contoured.
Yeah.
It's really pretty simple. You just put it on, bolts on. It's your funky fresh to go up in.
Let's go up from the bottom.
These special like nuts or whatever you want to call them, they go right up to plug the hole. It keeps it loosening up too, I'm guessing.
Right.
So, well, we did end up matching. I don't think we didn't have to do that, but we got a Kohler seat for a Kohler toilet, so it increased our chance that it was going to fit because we didn't measure.
If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.